Hello everyone, myself SHEREGAR, first year CSPS. My startup company name is Prime Tech Creation. Product name is Clothes. The proposed product name is Polo Foods. Empathizing. Mentioning some of the requirements and feeling about the product as said by the consumer during the empathizing activity. Comfortable and self-cleaning. Based on the empathizing state and considering the feeling and requirement of the consumer, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name clothes, futuristic product name is polo. Ideated. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Comfortable, self-cleaning, biodegradable fabrics, color changing. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to the time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. A sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.